upon a time, when the story of Noah's Ark was over, people started living on the ground again. But then, as people started to hit their heads with each other, more and more people, they came up with an interesting idea. Why don't we all get together and make a wonderful city? Let's build a tall tower that reaches the end of the sky. Wow! That will show us how amazing we are. So people started to build towers by roasting sand and soil and making bricks. The tower got taller and taller, and people became more proud of their power and skills. We are amazing. What a tower that reaches the sky. Now our name will be remembered forever. Let's live together in this city without being scattered. But God, watching this, didn't feel at ease. It's great that people work together, but the problem is that they start to think. We can be as great as God on our own. They believe in their own power and think that God doesn't need it. So God shared language with people. Suddenly, we couldn't communicate with each other. The llama is nucleosamia la vega love. Yeah. What do you think you don't understand? What are you talking about? Now that they couldn't communicate, cooperation was impossible. Eventually, they couldn't build any more towers, and they scattered among the people who spoke the same language. It happened in the city of Babel, so they came to call it the Tower of Babel story. It's not just a failed attempt at building a tower. What's more important than a tower that reaches the sky is where our hearts are headed. It's wonderful to cooperate with each other, but when pride is established in our hearts, everything can eventually falter. The Tower of Babel is telling us, isn't it really about your humble heart looking at the sky, not your heart above the sky? People who tried to reach the sky, what were they missing in the end? Where is the tower of our hearts headed today?